What is the 369 method? The 369 method involves writing down what you'd like to manifest 3 times in the morning, 6 times during the day, and 9 times in the evening. This method rose to popularity on TikTok, naturally, with videos under the hashtag 369 method amassing over 165 million views combined. You don't have to look hard to find folks on the app claiming the technique has helped them manifest new relationships, large sums of money, and more. The significance of the numbers. 3 represents our connection to Source or the universe, and our creative self-expression. 6 represents our inner strength and harmony. 9 represents our inner rebirth, as in letting go of what no longer serves us and changing into who we are becoming. How do you manifest using the 369 method? Before getting started, you'll of course want to figure out what exactly it is you want to manifest. Once you're clear on that, it's time to come up with an affirmation. For example, if you wanted to manifest money, your affirmation could be "I will receive a large sum of money." Here's what you'll do from there: write down your affirmation 3 times as soon as you wake up in the morning. Write down your affirmation 6 times during the afternoon. Write your affirmation 9 times before you go to bed. You will notice the shift in your life. Discover the simple 3-digit manifestation code for unlocking the door to outrageous wealth and abundance in the next 24 hours. Click the link in the description.